everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can export in Smartsheet with a file with attachments. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, put your focus on the left panel and click on Browse. And then, you're going to choose the workspace or the workflow that you have the attached file on. As you can see, I have an attached file on this project right here, my cost breakdown file. However, I cannot export this workflow while also exporting this file directly. So I'm going to make two exports. First, we're going to export our main file. To do that, we're going to go and click on File right here on the top left of the workflow. And then, we're going to click on Export. Smartsheet would also ask you what kind of format would you want to use. Excel, PDF, and so much more. So let's choose PDF for this video. So simply click on that. And then, make sure that all the settings are good, and then click on OK. Wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, your PDF file is already downloaded. Now, let's download or export the attachment that we have. Simply click on the cell that has the attachment, as you can see right here, and then click on the three dots right here for the actions, and click on Download File. Wait again for another few seconds. And my attachment is already downloaded. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!